Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to write the polyfill of every method. According to the MDN definition, this is the every method of array in JavaScript. So every method tests whether all elements of the array passes the test implemented by the provided function. It returns the Boolean value. So it means that if all the element of the array passes the test, then it returns true, and if any of the element does not pass the test, then it returns false. You can see this example here also. So this is the provided function. It checks whether the all value is less than like the current value is less than 40. It will check each and every element of the array here. So since you can see that all the element is less than 40, then it will return true. And I'll run this. You can see the result is true. So let's make it 30 to 300, and one value is more than 40, then it returns false. You can see it is false. So we will implement the polyfill of this every method. So let's start. I am here in my text editor. What I will do is like I'll just copy this array from here, okay, and then paste it here. Now I got the array. I need to write the polyfill of the every method. So I'll start it like this: array dot prototype dot custom every. I am naming it as a custom every, okay, and this is a function. It will take a provided function, so I'm calling that provided function as a callback, okay, and I'm checking the Boolean value. Is every element passed? Initially I'll say all the element is passed, okay, and I'll put the value I'll assign true to this variable, and then I'll go and check each and every element and apply the callback and check whether if it is any value is false, then I'll break the loop and returns false. Otherwise it will keep going, and in last it returns true, okay. So let's do it. For let I is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, I is less than this dot length, this dot length will point to array, okay. This is pointing to array, and then I plus plus, and each and every element what I'll do is I'll just check the callback, and then callback will take the first take the current element, this dot I, and then index, and then all array, and this is the all array, which will be this, okay. And if it is returning false, then I'll mark this each and every element to false, and I'll break the loop, okay, and I'll just return whatever the value it is. This is the implementation of the custom every loop, okay. It's a every method, custom every method, not loop, sorry. So now we have written the custom every method. Now test it out. Let's test it out, okay. So for that I'll just use I'll write an statement, result const result is equal to array1 dot custom every, and there I'm pass a callback function, and that callback function will say that if I can write a callback function outside of it, or I can directly pass it. Both are okay. So result is less than, if it is less than 10 or less, let's test it 40 only. So if result is less than 40, it will check whether all the element is less than 40. Okay, now I'll just console log it result. So as we can see in array, if I'll remove this 300 and make it 30, then this should pass. Okay, so let's do it. I'll open the terminal and then run node index. It is true. So if I'll make it 300 and then run again, clear the console and then run again, it is returning false. Okay, let's test it. Let's match our result with the regular every method. So I'll just do it like result 2, which is equal to array1 dot every, and I'll just copy this callback on this provided function or callback function, and I will store the result in result 2. Okay, and let's clear the console and check the result. So since I have already added 300 here, so it will this will return, I'm assuming this will return false, and I'm assuming that this will also return false. So let's run false false, you can see. And if I'll remove this I'll make it 300 to 30, then this whole result will be true. So let's clear the console and then run it again. You can see the whole thing is true. So this is how we implement the polyfill of the every method, guys. I hope you have liked the videos. See you in future. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.